All right, so in this first design build series video, I'm working on the front wheel, starting by redesigning the rim. So I had initially had a double beadlock rim design, 24-inch diameter, but I needed to adjust the offset and the material thickness. The first thing I started with was that rectangle in the center, which is the hub mount, and then now I'm working on the bosses that are going to hold the beadlock bolts, and I'm playing around here with some thicknesses. What I ended up realizing was that the strength of the bolt comes from the fact that it has a curve in it. I'm referencing some Method beadlock wheels and some Raceline beadlock wheels. Those seem to be really popular, really strong. And then I realized that in order to determine the wheel offset, I first need to figure out what our hub design is going to be. And I'm making an 8-lug duplicate, oversized version of really popular portal hubs from 74 Weld. And that's what you see on the left there. That was a shell file that I was able to get a hold of by emailing the guys at 74 Weld. This is a lug bolt, which is a carriage plow bolt, stainless steel, 3/4 inch, 4-inch length. And I'm starting by making the unit bearing backing plate. And so this backing plate has a 9-inch diameter, and it needs to hold Dana 80 bolt pattern, which is 8-lug on 170 millimeter bolt centers. So I'm basically just referencing the 74 Weld hub design and then scaling everything up to suit my dimensions. Right now I'm working on the hub snout and those cool little cuts that go in there. And then now I need to make the carriage plow square hole that's going to hold the 8-lug bolts or lug studs. So now what I'm trying to figure out is how much offset I need on the rotor of the hub to clear the stator of the hub. And turns out everything is really nice and simple, 1/2-inch heights. So I'm just making a series of bosses here